Dear students, today we would like to discuss about determination of position of elements in periodic table from electronic configuration. In periodic table chapter, this is very important topic. To determine position of an element in periodic table, we have to write electronic configuration first. And to determine the period of an element, we know the rule to determine period of an element is the last shell of atom. In brief, in short, this is very simple to understand. Last shell of an atom. Last shell of an atom is the period of an atom in periodic table. And to determine position of group of an element, there are three system or rules. By using three system or rules, we can able to determine any element of periodic table. Okay, let's go to understand system 1. Actually, system 1 is applicable for group 1 and 2 elements, and group 1 and 2 elements are called S block elements because last electron is in the S orbital of these elements. So what is the rule to identify the group of S block elements or group 1 and 2 elements? This is very simple. Number of electron or total number of electron of S orbital of last shell in the group. If S orbital is in the last shell in an atom, then the number of electron is in the group. So sodium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. We can see the last shell of sodium is 3, so its period is also 3, and number of electron in S orbital of last shell is 1, so the group of sodium is 1. Okay, let's go to understand system 2. System 2 is applicable for group 13 to 18 elements. These are called P block elements because all of these elements last electron is in the P orbital in the last shell. So what is the rule? The rule is number of electron of S orbital and P orbital with 10 is the group. We can see aluminium. Electronic configuration of aluminium is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1. Remarkably here in the last shell we can see S orbital and P orbital. If S orbital and P orbital are in the same side in the last shell, then the number of electron of S orbital, the number of electron of P orbital with 10 is the group. So system 3 is 2 plus 1 plus 10, that is 13. 13 is the group of aluminium, and its period is 3 because aluminium is last shell of aluminium is 3. Okay, let's go to understand system 3. In the system 3 we can see that this system is applicable for group number 3 to 12 or D block elements. For D block elements, if S orbital is in the last shell and D orbital is in the previous position of them, then number of electron of D orbital and number of electron of S orbital is the group. So This is an example of a scandium element 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d1 and 4s2. You can see last shell contains s orbital and here 2 number of electron, and in the previous position of it there is 3d orbital and it contains only 1 electron. So electron of d orbital and electron of s orbital are combined as 3. So 3 is the group of scandium and last shell of scandium is 4. So period of scandium is 4. Okay, thank you.